Action. Oh yeah. Well, hello! And here I am showing you once again how to clean steel sinks to a bright shine. You might have seen the very brief version that I did, the image is in the top left hand corner there, about how I get steel sinks like these up to a brilliant shine. So here's the full version. What I've done in this version is I've used a stopwatch so that you can see exactly how long it takes, so there's no edits in the video. So let's start the clock. Spray the whole sink area with a solution of thin bleach. That's to help get rid of any discoloration and stains that the sink may have. I'm using a magic sponge just to spread the bleach around and also to help clean the sink area. I do find magic sponges to be really useful for all sorts of cleaning. Next, you need to rinse all the bleach away. As you'll see here, I'm doing it very thoroughly, getting rid of all the bleach products, and the reason for that is because of the products I'm going to apply next. They don't really agree with each other. Next I'm going to apply an acid descaler. This one happens to be a solution of a toilet cleaner, and the reason I use it is because it just means I have to carry less products around with me. I always start and work away from the plug, up the sink sides and then back onto the surface, and the reason for that is because the product starts draining down the plug hole as soon as you spray it, so rather than waste it I spread it around quickly. Again, rinsing thoroughly, rinse all the product away. What you will notice after you've used the acid product is the way the water drains on the metal surface, and that's because the acid gets rid of all microscopic traces of limescale. Can you see it running differently down the sink sides there? It's flowing much more freely. So give it a good rinse and a good clean off. Dry it up as much as you can with your microfiber cloth. Finally, we're going to use a tea towel to buff up. It's just an ordinary cotton tea towel, and it does a really good job of clearing away any excess moisture and just putting a really good shine on the steel surface, as you can see. And that's one of the reasons why I'm really popular with my customers. Yeah. As you can see, less than 6 minutes. Not bad, eh? If you really like this, give it a like. Please feel free to subscribe, and if you click the little bell notification I'll let you know when I'm releasing a new video. There's a couple of videos on the right hand side you might also like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!